an overview of how you sign up for the Zinn Hub Ambassador Programme and navigate your dashboard. We're going to take it step by step, so by the end of this, you'll know exactly what to expect, from the very first page all the way to your live dashboard. We are now entering the sign-up page. This is where everything begins. Now we're moving into the application section. The first thing you'll notice is that you have options. You can choose to apply as an ambassador for referring buyers only, freelancers only, or even both. It's entirely up to you and how you want to promote the platform. Go ahead and make your selection before moving on. Next up, we have the information section. This is where you tell Zinn Hub a little about yourself. You'll be filling in your display name, which is the name people will see, as well as your legal name. After that, you'll enter your email address, your phone number, your country, and your social media handle. Scrolling down, we now come to one of the most important parts of the application: how you plan to promote Zinn Hub. Here, you'll fill in your primary niche, which is the main area or industry your content is focused on. There's also a secondary niche, and that part is completely optional, so only fill it in if it applies to you. You'll also be asked to provide a sample content URL. This could be a link to previous work where you've promoted something before, just to give Zinn Hub an idea of your style and reach. Then, we move to the promotion plan section. This is where you explain how you intend to promote Zinn Hub. You can mention the platforms you use, your audience size, and any unique strategy or angle you plan to use. Next, we have the knowledge check. This is Zinn Hub's way of making sure you actually understand the platform before representing it. You'll be asked to give a brief overview of what Zinn Hub is all about and the key things that make it stand out. What are the unique selling points? What makes it different? Just explain it in your own words. You'll also be asked about your expectations from the program and what you hope to gain from being an ambassador. Just be honest and straightforward here. Continuing down the form, you'll also be asked to tell them more about the buyers you plan to refer. This simply gives Zinn Hub a better picture of the kind of audience you'll be bringing onto the platform. Fill it in as best as you can. Now we come to the identity verification step. Here, you'll be asked to upload a government-issued ID along with a selfie of yourself holding that ID. This is a standard security measure. It's simply to confirm that you're a real person and not a bot. The process is quick, straightforward, and your information is kept secure. The final step before submitting your application is reviewing and agreeing to the Zinn Hub Ambassador Programme terms. Take a moment to read through them carefully so you understand exactly what you're signing up for. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and submit your application. From there, the Zinn Hub team will review everything and get back to you. And once you're approved, you'll receive a confirmation email, your green light to access the dashboard. Welcome to your dashboard. This is your control center as a Zinn Hub ambassador. Everything you need to manage and track your performance is right here. First, depending on whether you signed up to refer buyers, freelancers, or both, you'll be able to track each category separately. Your referral stats are clearly laid out, so you always know exactly where you stand. You'll be able to see your earnings clearly displayed here, including recent pending amounts, as well as everything that has already been paid out. It's all transparent, organized, and very easy to follow. You'll also find your affiliate link right here. This is your unique referral link, the one you'll be sharing with everyone you invite to the platform. And whenever someone signs up using your link, that referral gets tracked directly back to you. Now, if you'd prefer something a little more personalized, you also have the option to generate a custom link. So if the default link doesn't really match your style or branding, you can easily create one that feels more personal to you. Moving on, we now have the referral section. This is where you'll be able to monitor your overall referral activity in more detail. You can see the total number of people you've referred, how many of them are currently active, any potential sales still in the pipeline, and a complete overview of your referral performance. Everything you need to stay updated and keep track of your progress is right here inside the dashboard. And that brings us to the end of this walkthrough of the Zinn Hub Ambassador Programme. From the sign-up page through the full application process, all the way to navigating your dashboard, you've now seen exactly how everything works. The process is straightforward, beginner-friendly, and once you're approved, you have everything you need to start referring and earning. And if you haven't applied yet, you can find the link in the description. Good luck, and we'll see you in the next one.